Lake Tawarewa. It is an absolutely beautiful day. We're sitting up here trolling again for trout. Nothing, just as usual, of course. And beautiful day. This is a life. I'm up here at Lake Tawarewa and I've got the boat parked up and I've caught a few fish today and I'm at Hot Water Beach, so I'm going to stay the night. And so far I've just gutted and filleted a trout and I'm going to put it in tin foil and have red chilli sauce and salt and cook it in the hot water that's up here. Natural spring, so take about 3/4 of an hour to cook, so should be awesome. Fresh trout, and it's got rock salt and pepper and a bit of sweet chilli sauce, and I'm going to stick it in the hot water here at Hot Water Beach and cook it, so it should be nice. And it's a recipe of John Cameron, so if it doesn't work he's going to get a bollocking. Okay, I'm boiling some water on the back of the boat and I'm going to make my dinner, so I'm going to have this fancy thing. It's going to be, what is it? Roast potato, I think, roast lamb and vegetables. There you go. And see, we've got roast potato. All you do is add the water to it, you see. In theory, I'm told by Garby and everybody who's in the know that it's got to be done properly, so I'm going slowly. And while this is cooking, my trout is cooking over there, way down the end there in the hot water. See the steam coming out there? It's cooking my trout. Beautiful.